There's something about this scent that just makes me want to, you know? Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In today's video, we are doing one of my favorite videos of the month, and that is my Sips by tea unboxing. And you just heard a bunch of tea spill in there. So as you know, Sips by is a tea subscription box. They send you a box of 4 new teas every single month. They're custom to your personal taste. I personally want to try everything new every month, so I don't really tell them what to send me. I don't go review them after, just because I want it to be new every single month. But if you haven't seen one of these videos before, you should know ahead of time that I pretty much just taste the tea, tell you what I think about it, and I link everything below so you can check it out for yourself. But before we can get into that, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell. Enter my giveaway that is now open for one of these bad boys. This is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And I am going to link the video with that giveaway in it down below. Go enter. Free eyeshadow palette. Why wouldn't you want that, honestly? I would enter. But you know, I'm the one giving it away. Alright you guys, so like every month we've got our February tea card right here, and then on the back it shows you all the teas, everything about them, and it says made for Megan, made for me. Oh, so nice. If you didn't know, Sips by is kind enough to send me this box every single month to share with you guys. I am a huge fan of the box. Honestly, I would be buying it myself if I didn't already get sent it for free. I think you guys should really go check it out. And if you want to sign up, you can get $5 off with my code MEGANSIPS or something like that. The code will be linked in the description box. You can find everything you need to know down there. Let's go over this month's teas. Now, I did this one a little bit differently. I steeped everything ahead of time so that way you guys it would be a shorter video. You know. First we have got our ginger lime tea, which is this one right here. Nice pretty color here. I love this type of bag. This is by far my favorite type of tea bag itself. It's super cute, super like silky. It's just adorable. But this, let me show you. This is one of the pre-made tea bags, and it looks just like that. It comes from Storehouse Tea. It is a caffeine-free tea, which is a bummer. We love caffeine over here. But it looks like really good. It smells good, so I'm excited to try it. Next, we have our mystical chai tea, which I have come to find out that I actually do really like chai tea. This one is made with Assam black tea, cardamom cloves, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, pepper. This one's going to be a spicy tea. These ones I'll literally always say, and I probably will say later in this video, it would be so good if I was sick. One of these times, I just hope I'm sick so that I can actually figure out if it works. And this tea comes from Sabroso Tea, and it looks, not that one. Oh, the mystical chai is the one that's spilled everywhere. But this is what the packet looks like. Super cute. It's not resealable, but that is okay. It says scent, body, and mind, and then links their social media on the bottom, which y'all know it's going to be in the description box if you want to check out the brands. Next up, oh, and by the way, it's high caffeine. I'm going to love that one. Next up, we've got Organic Cream of Earl Grey, which I've never heard of before. It's from David's Tea, which I'm pretty sure David's Tea is a pretty popular tea company. It looks just like this. Super cute. Also, the smell is kind of interesting. Was not prepared for it. But this one is going to be high caffeine as well. Heck yeah. It's just a black tea, marigolds, cornflowers, and natural flavoring. And then all of these also come with coupon codes if you're interested in the individual teas, so everything will be listed in the description box for that. And finally, our last tea, and the one that I am not looking forward to the most, it's a mint one. I am not a huge fan of mint tea. It's called Minter Wonderland from the Savoy Tea Company. Figured out that that is not from the Savoy in England. But this is a low caffeine tea. It's got Chinese gunpowder green tea. Got confused for a second. American spearmint leaves and natural flavoring. So that's super fun. Got the card here. All of this information will be described in the description box below. But now that I've rambled on about the teas, it is time to go ahead and taste them. So first up, we are going to start with our ginger lime tea. This guy right here. All of these are super hot because I use these stupid clear glasses for whatever reason. Hot. Ooh, that one's pretty good. It doesn't have a whole lot of flavor to it, but the lime isn't overpowering. It actually is really fresh tasting, and I feel like I would really love that during like the summertime. You could probably make it into an iced tea too, but it is really, really good as a warm tea, so I'm a fan of that one. Oh, that's really good actually. It's really hot though, so it's hard to drink right now. Next up, we are going to try our mystical chai tea. Again, very hot, but gorgeous color. You get a really good color out of a chai, honestly. Ooh. Wait. Do I like that? Yeah, I like that. That one's really good. That one's definitely more of a winter tea for me. And it is winter right now, so I feel like that warmed me up real good. And like I said, it would be good for when you're sick. Moving on, again, we are going to try the cream of Earl Grey, the organic. Which this one, I don't know about this. There's something about this scent that just makes me want to, you know? So I'm going to go ahead and taste this. I really hope I don't hurl, but I feel like I might. I won't. I won't, but like I also, there's something about the scent of it. Doesn't taste bad. I just don't like the scent at all. I'm actually a huge Earl Grey fan. Earl Grey is one of my favorite teas. I don't know about this one though. This one's probably not one of my favorite Earl Greys. I don't think I like the cream of whatever part of this tea. But Earl Grey's good, and it's honestly, it's not terrible. Like, I would drink it again, but like, it's not what I would choose first, if you know what I mean. And finally, we are going to try our Minter Wonderland Tea. This one I already know I'm not gonna like because I don't like mint. Like I like mints, but I don't like mint in other things like mojitos, tea, coffee. Ice cream though. Ice cream's pretty good. There's just something about it that tastes like cleaner. I don't know why. Or toothpaste. It kind of reminds me of toothpaste, and I feel like I shouldn't be like drinking that as like a tea, you know? I don't know. Try another. No. So now I get to rank our teas, and I honestly think they're sitting in the order of rank that I would even give them, and like in the order that I tasted them too. So first for me this month is going to be the ginger lime. Super good, super fresh tea, super perfect for spring, I think. Then we have our mystical chai. This is a great one. Honestly, the first and second one are pretty much tied for me. They're both very, very good. I like them a lot. Next up is the cream of Earl Grey because it has a smell, you know? And finally, we have our Minter Wonderland. I just don't like mint. It's not my thing. I know there's a lot of people out there, like my friend Hannah. She loves mint. Can't do it though. I can't do it. That's all I have for you in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this is one of my favorite videos of the month to film. So before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Enter my giveaway, which ends March 13th, and I will see you guys in Friday's video. Bye guys.